Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you what I got from my mystery box. And I put everything out of the box, so there's nothing in it. I didn't want to really put everything, but I got this mystery box. But I know what's in it because I took everything out of it. I was going to make a YouTube short, that's why I took everything out of it. I was like, nah, it's just easier for me to do this. So, I have everything out in front of me. Things that I understand as fidgets, things I don't understand as fidgets. So, let me start with these. I'm going through the quietest to the loudest. But anyway, I have 4 of these. I don't know what they're called. I think they're like monkey noodles, but they're like animals and they're spiky, but they're not actually spiky, they just look spiky. But I got yellow, purple, maroon colour, and a blue, and they stretch pretty far. Anyway, and then I got 4 monkey noodles. These are actual monkey noodles, so you can just wrap them around, make knots in them. I got yellow, green, blue, and pink. These feel really nice. I'm actually gonna make a knot in the pink one. I'm actually should I tie them together? Yeah, I'm actually gonna tie them together. So I'm gonna make a knot in the pink one. It's like a soul. There we go, knotted. And then I'm going to actually undo that knot. I don't know how I'm going to do this. And loop these together. That one. And then the pink one. The pink one is these. Yep, I need to loop that through. Loop that through. Kind of like. Okay. Okay, I can't put them together, but you get 4 of these and 4 of these. And then I haven't opened these because these can sometimes be sticky. But I got a pig mochi, a unicorn mochi, and I don't know what I think this is supposed to be a hedgehog. I got 3 of those. Also, they won't set out the bag because they won't make that noise. So let's pop one. I'm actually gonna take one out and feel it. Okay. Pretty soft. Oh, really easy to squeeze. It's like, don't squeeze me. Don't squeeze me. And then now, I'm not sure if these stick to things. Nope, they bounce off things. They bounce off things, that's fine. And then, I think it'll just be the exact same texture. I just want to see. Yep, exact same texture as this one. Just a unicorn. Just very nice. And then, whatever this one is, open up this one. I don't know how they come in bags. I don't know why they give me loads of the same thing. Oh, this one's a bit more stickier. I don't really like that. This one's not sticky. This one's sticky because look. If I stick it to my iPad, will it stick to my iPad? No. Surprisingly not. Yes, it does stick to my iPad. Oh, let's see. Yep, sticks to my iPad. That's it on my iPad there. Anyway, I don't really like this one because it is sticky, but yeah. So anyway, I have these ones. They can make a little bit of noise, but listen. Barely any noise. So it's good. These monkey noodles make a little bit of noise if you stretch them and you go like that. Listen. If you just stretch them like that or swirl them around. Or if you do this. Listen. It makes a little bit of noise because it sounds like a helicopter. Don't worry, I didn't use my middle finger, I used my pointy finger. Because most people will say, you used your middle finger. No, I did not. I used my pointy finger. So I'm like, next quiet thing is marble meshes. So basically marble meshes is a mesh with a marble inside. And just push it up and down. I got a yellow one. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I got a yellow one, and a pink one for the matrices. And this one I have a yellow marble mesh. I find these quite satisfying but also quite boring fidget. But if you're listening in class like I am most of the time when I'm fidgeting, it's just one fluid motion, so I guess that's kind of easier. And then I got a yellow one, I got a green marble mesh. Exact same thing. They don't have different marbles, they have the exact same marble. And I also got a blue marble mesh. Oh, you can also fidget like this. If you don't need the marble. So yeah. And then next quiet thing I would say are these, my favourite spiky balls. So I got a blue one. Oh, I got 3 of these. Same with the mochis. And I got this blue spiky ball. It feels so nice because I like compression, and these give me a little bit of compression, not much. And I got a green spiky ball, and I got a yellow spiky ball. Then I got a purple spiky ball. Then I got a orangey yellow spiky ball. I got bright orange spiky ball. I got 6 spiky balls. I like them so much. And then next thing, before the quiet things, I have 3 more quiet things. So they're all the quiet things. And I got this slinky. You can technically call it loud, but I don't really get slinkies as a video. I guess if you want to do that, you can. I quite like it doing this. I wouldn't do that with it to annoy people in class, because I mostly fidget in class, so. And then the next thing is before my favourite thing. It's this. And you might think, is it a puzzle? No, it isn't. I just leave it in that shape because it came in that shape. How do I actually unfold this? Does it stay in that? No. Oh, okay. That makes more sense. It's like a wacky track. It's a wacky track. But a clicky version. Don't break. If you guys don't know what wacky tracks are, I used to have one, but I accidentally broke it, so I can't show you what a wacky track are. I can actually show you a picture of one. Go onto my iPad. Let me search up wacky track. This. Wacky track. If you don't know what they are, here you go. These are what wacky tracks are. You can shape them and do whatever you want, and they're kind of like this, but they have, instead of it just being like this, connected with a piece of string inside. I don't know how they make them, because I actually broke mine at school. Oops. Sorry, teacher. I have one of these at school and I actually broke mine. I have a bigger one of these. So this one's green and white. Green, white, green, white. And I have a bigger one, so if I can find it. Where do I see the one? I'll show you. Here it is. So here's the smaller version. Here's the bigger version. This one I play with so much. Like, let me do that, how this one is. Size comparison. Hold on. Size comparison. Great, new one, old one. Look at that size difference. I like this one way more, because this one doesn't make too much noise. Make clicking noise. I brought this one to London when I went up to London with one of my friends to watch Frozen the musical. But listen to this one. And listen to this one. This one makes clicking, but this one makes clicking. This one's, I prefer. Alright, if I had the option to take one of these up to London, I'll definitely choose the smaller one to take to London. Or if I was in a classroom, I'd choose the smaller one. But if I was just at home fidgeting, I'd choose this one. So this one's definitely go for offices or classrooms or out and about. But this one is not. This one's less convenient, but this one's more. So I'll definitely choose the smaller one for out and about, but the bigger one, but this one for more fun. But the thing is, you can't lose this one, but you can lose this one. So if you're like me and you always lose things, go for the bigger one. If you're not like me, you don't always lose things, go for the bigger one. For the smaller one, I mean. I'd say this one's kind of quiet. Why did I put that one there? I'd say this one is quiet. My favourite. Should I leave this one for last? No, it's quiet. It's a stress ball, but it has Orbeez in it. Ready? Listen. Like, let's say we're doing this. Might be annoying for the person that sits next to you, but really stress in class. Like just looking at your teacher, sitting at your desk or sitting on the floor, wherever you need to sit. Just squeezing it. Listening. Yes, it makes noise, but this one only makes noise because of the Orbeez inside. Now, this is why I have my strawberry here. So after all of these fidgets, I can rate all these fidgets on a scale of 1 to 10. After, and then I'll rate my fidgets on a scale of 1 to 10. I already have before I bought this kit. I'm obsessed. You're just going to hear this noise all the video probably. If you see me like squeezing something, it'll be this because it's this one. The only problem with this one can break easier, but it's fine. Onto the noisy fidgets. So these are all the quiet ones I just did. Now onto the noises. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 noises, and I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had 8 quiet ones. And I not like the ones with like more of them. Like ones that had all the same. Like these ones, the marble meshes, these can't remember what they're called now, but these and the monkey noodles and the other monkey noodles, I counted these all as one. I'm just gonna fiddle around with monkey noodle actually. If you see me like fiddling around with something, it's just because I'm fiddling. That's what fidget's supposed to do. You're supposed to fidget with them and talk or do whatever you're doing. So you'll see this blue monkey noodle a lot. Anyway, next fidget. Actually, you know you won't because I'll be fidgeting with other fidgets. Okay, I'd say... Okay, let's do the guitar puppet. I haven't tried the guitar puppet yet. This is very flimsy. Let me get one of my other puppets. Look. It is flimsy. Don't get me wrong. It is flimsy because it's supposed to be. But when I hold this one's supposed to be like sideways. And you might say, oh, that one's a circle. That one's a circle. Oh, that one's a circle. So it's supposed to be not flimsy. Let me get you my love heart one, which needs washing. But look, side, side. I have to make this one move. I don't have to make this one move. So flexibility this one is. So if you're looking for a sturdy one, don't buy this one, or don't buy a guitar one because it's spinner. Let's go musical notes already. Okay. By the way, puppets are supposed to be noisy, so this was not noisy. When I rate my other fidgets that I already have, other than these ones, I just got. Yeah, it's a little bit noisy. Okay, so that's all one side. So on this side, listen, I'm being very quiet. Not very impressed with this guitar puppet, because this is what the puppet's supposed to sound like. Not this. Listen. Guitar puppet. Circle puppet. Okay, the difference. This one doesn't make as loud as the noise. So you can technically count as quiet. But I'm keeping it as noisy for now. Can't wait for these. And then I don't know what these are called, but you can get a whole pack of these, I know. And like their suction cups. That's what I'm doing. Let's do on a surface. Where's a surface that I could do it on? Oh, there's a surface I could do it on. Yes, there is. Easy way chair. Ugh. On this metal part here. If you guys like obnoxious things, which is a very, very loud things, these are good for you. So yeah, 3 of these. There's 3 of these. There's 1 puppet, so there's 3 of these in this box that I got. Very good. Now, oh, I love these. Only if I could find my other one of these, because my other one is big. Is it in here? Who sits in here? Who sits in here? My other fidget video I did, I think I showed you guys it, but I can't remember. Maybe it's not in here, but this one's definitely smaller than my last one. But I can't find it at the moment, but listen. That's what I like about it. That's quite good, and I only get one of these. Now, time for pop chips. I got a yellow one, a red one, a purple one, and a blue one. Let's try blue first. Very long. Let's try to pop that. Quite good. Let's try the purple one. Quite good. Yeah. Very good. Very well. I'm probably going to give one to one of my friends at school because I don't really like the colour red, but I might keep it. Okay. That's all the fidgets for today, apart from the ones I have. So let's quickly go through the ones I have. So this puppet, which is very satisfying, which I really like. I'll give this one a 8 out of 10. It's not the best, but it's good. And I got another red pop tube. This one's even bigger. Right, hold on, let me make this one to sides so you can see comparison to the red one. So ready? The one I got today, the one I had forever. Size comparison. This one's definitely smaller, so it makes less noise, but this one's bigger, so it makes more noise. And I also got a green big one as well. Green big. And I give these pop tubes, I give my pop tubes that I got for Christmas, because they're one of my Christmas presents. Just on my birthday, but whatever. I give these a 9 out of 10. Pretty good. Oh, this is my favourite. It's stressful. So if you don't like, where is it gone? Where has it gone? Here. If you don't like these sounds, if you don't like the sound of the Orbeez, you can always get these ones. They make a little bit of noise, but less noise than. Listen. Recommend this one here, more for classrooms. This one more for home. And look, they don't stick together, which is good. So they don't stick to anything. Nope. I'd say if I got these two wet, then yes, they would stick together, but anyway, they're all the fidgets I want to rate today for my fidgets in my strawberry. So now, let's go from quite... Oh, and this one I give a 10 out of 10. Alright, let's start. So I give these... These are now on the box one. So I give these... they don't really do much, but I do like the feel of them. So I'll give these... I'll be nice and give these a... 6 out of 10. Not my favourite, but I'll give them a 6 out of 10 because they are kind of like monkey noodles. These are similar to monkey noodles, or they are a different type of monkey noodles. I don't know, but they feel nice, so 6 out of 10. And then the regular monkey noodles, I'll give a also 6 out of 10. Mochis are pretty bland, so I'll give these a 5 out of 10. These I'm obsessed with. These I can just take them anywhere, really. I'll give these a 7 out of 10. And then these spiky balls I'll give a 9 out of 10. I really like these, so I'll give these a 9 out of 10. This stressful a 10 out of 10. This I don't really get the point of, so a 5 out of 10. This is another 10 out of 10 because it's the exact same as my bigger one, just a smaller version. Poppet, this Poppet, 3 out of 10. I don't really like it. Not very convenient like these ones are. It's like so flimsy, you always have to hold it like this, and it doesn't really make the pop sound, which is nice, but not really my thing. These I'll give a 9 out of 10. Wish I knew what these were called, but I don't. But I'll give these a 9 out of 10. And then this, also 9 out of 10. And then the pop tubes, did them all at once, so I'll give the pop tubes a 8 out of 10. So all of this did pretty well, apart from the slinky and the guitar. These things I'd make, for one, I'd make the poppet better and less flimsy. And I'd make the pop actually sound like a pop. That one sounds pretty good. Nope. These two, I'll change this one to a little less flimsy and a bit more louder pop. And this, don't get a slinky. I just don't get a slinky. So these two are the only things I would change. And then maybe the mochis, like make it so the animals are actually obvious a little bit more. And make it so they're like different colours, so I don't get one pink and 2 yellows. These are really good. I wouldn't change anything about these, just so they would stick together, like so. Well, they do kind of, but not very much. But yeah, This, there's nothing I can change. This, so it doesn't make, so it makes a lot less clicks. And these, I'll just make these a bit longer, or at least so you could add other marble meshes to them, and you can just pass marbles back and forth. So there's like 3 attached, and you can pass 3 marbles back and forth to the colour. That's what I would change about these. Nothing really about the monkey noodles. I quite like them because you can like twist them and things like that. And I would change these ones so they didn't have like faces on them, because that's kind of weird. But other than that, that's fine. I'll make these so these are, I do like the spikes on them, but I'd make them like feel like spikes instead of them being like that, but it's fine. Oh, and I think these are discontinuing. I think I went on Amazon listing yesterday, and these said being discontinued. So that means they're being pulled off shelves, which I'm sad about, because I think you guys would really like this. But I'm kind of sad they're being discontinued, but it's fine. It's what it is. And if you guys want to pick yourself up one today, if they're still in stock, it is, I'll just spell it for you, ZAXIDEEL. Oh, there's something else in here. And then this is free. This is age 3 and up. So 3 and up. Oh, that's nice. Everything seems nicer, brighter when you are around. Oh, that's nice. It's like, these are being discontinued until Christmas time. I don't know, you can like write a little message on the back to make someone smile. That's nice. I don't know what this is. I think this is just what's inside. I think. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. So I'll keep this. I'll give this to someone else, this little note card. And keep them together so I don't lose them. Like that. And now I'll just put everything back in the box they came in. Okay, so I got this off Amazon. So I tied up all the monkey doodles into knots, but they're very easy to undo if you don't do them. Now what do you have another one? Oh, I forgot to do a blue one in a knot. Let's do that now. There. Let's see if these ones can go in a knot. These can. I'll be quite impressed. Let's see. Yes, these ones can. That's a bit of a bigger knot and a bigger chunk. Right. Question is, can I unthread it? Yes, I can. Okay. That's good. I can unthread it. I don't fully unthread it, but I managed to unthread it a little bit. I just pull it tight again, so. That's good. I know I can unthread these. So, because I grab that. Yeah, that's easy. Okay. That's that. And then thread these ones through. And last one for the things. Bye guys.